How to solve a Rubik's Cube, 18 tips and tricks or strategies for beginners. 18 helpful tips and tricks and strategies to solve Rubik's Cube. Number 1, Rubik's Cube has 6 faces. It sounds obvious, right? Because it is a cube, therefore it has to have 6 faces. But when you are struggling to solve your puzzle, it's easy to forget this most basic concept. Knowing that there are 6 sides helps you understand that solving the Rubik's cube is not a rocket science, although it's not the easiest thing to do in the world. Number 2, get familiar with the vocabulary. Make sure you are familiar with the vocabulary before you start following strategies for solving the puzzle. It will be much easier to follow the Rubik's Cube algorithms and permutations if you understand what you are doing. Here are a few basic terms to know. Number 1, edge. Rubik's Cube has 12 edges and they consist of a piece where 2 colors meet. Corner. They are located in the corner of each side of the cube and have 3 visible colors. There are 8 corners in the 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 Rubik's Cube. The centerpiece. Each centerpiece sits in the center of the side and has one color. These do not move in any way, and its color represents each side of the Rubik's Cube layer section of a cube. It consists of 9 blocks that rotate. A cube has 3 layers. Faces. Rubik's Cube faces are indicated as L, left face, R, right face, U, up face, D, down face, F, front face, B, back face, M, middle face, Y, entire cube. Regular and inverted turn. A regular turn is a clockwise turn, and inverted turn is the corner clockwise turn. In Rubik's Cube notation, an inverted turn is permutation. It's the arrangement of pieces